Chris Vale. You may remember me from such films as...
Generally speaking, the lawn usually looks pretty rough when you see it for the first time in the spring. As scary as this sounds, it's no different than what you and I look like right after we roll out of bed after a long night's sleep.
And... and finally this. If you remember earlier, we had ourselves a little bit of a mishap when the motor blew in the leaf blower. Well, that wasn't the only thing that happened. When I went to use the metal rake to rake up the lawn, do you want to guess what happened there? That's right. That broke too. Wait a second, who put that video in there? And then what happened? Yes, the videos stopped. Now, why did they stop? To make a long story short, I went through a career change in my life and I just didn't have enough time to keep up with videos. Even though I was trying to keep my lawn in great shape and post on Instagram, I just didn't have time to film. So now, that brings us to the 2020 lawn season. And I've got some great news for everybody. Yes, the Lawn Canuck is back, and we're back full time. What is this channel going to look like? Well, there's going to be some long-form content for everyone out there who wants to learn how to do everything. And there will be some short-form videos for some of my real estate clients who wants to learn some quick tips and tricks on how to keep their lawn healthy. So thanks everyone. I'm excited to get going again, and I can't wait to share everything with you. Until next time, I'm Chris Vale, the Lawn Canuck.